welcome back to another video, guys. Now today's video was requested by my son. He wants to make popsicle, and what other way to show you guys, because summer is coming and the time is so hot now, guys. So we're going to be making some mango and strawberry popsicle, fruit popsicles. All right, so stick around. Don't forget, guys, to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not. Thank you so much for making Jamrock a video of your choice that you want to watch this afternoon or whenever you choose to watch this video. Now, to get this video started, guys, you're going to need some agave because you're going to need sweetener. We're also going to be using some coconut milk. Alright, guys, so what you want to do is to wash your strawberries and remove the stem. We're going to go ahead now and peel our mangoes. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender. You can add your mangoes to the food processor at this time. Zachary is going to do that for us. Good job. You're being a helper. Yes, good job. Okay, guys, we're going to add some agave just for sweetener. And remember, mango is a little bit sweet as well. To bring up the flavor of it, you're going to add just a pinch of salt. See? Just a little pinch of salt. Also, we're going to add a little bit of coconut milk. All the ingredients will be added in the description box. Just a little dab. And we're going to blend.
Guys, you want to get it like that.
Also going in with a tablespoon of agave just for a little sweetener for the strawberries, okay? So we're going to puree these as well. To build up the popsicle, you can just add whatever filling you like first. I'm going to start with the strawberry. And we can add the mango. Now I made two batches. What I did with this one was, as I poured the strawberry, I put it in the fridge for maybe 2 minutes just to hard up a little bit so the mango don't wash it out. Right, so I'm going to add the mango now. And it's good to get the little ones involved. Remember, May is Child's Month in Jamaica, and we want to get the children involved in as much things because we don't want them to feel like because of the pandemic is their fault, right? We don't want to stretch them out too much. So we're going to add some more strawberries. Now we're going to add these to the fridge until the next day, preferably. Okay, guys, our popsicles are totally frozen and they're so nice. Remember, these are a healthier alternatives to the regular store-bought fruit popsicles. Remember, these are sugar-free, and also they're strawberry and mango. All right, so this is a way to preserve and to just do some stuff for the kids to enjoy for the summer holiday. All right, so let's take them out now. We're going to put them in a room temperature water just to release the ice. Super easy to make. Don't take nothing much. Just use whatever fruits guys are in season. Lychee season coming up. Just use up all the lovely fruits that are in season where you are. Okay, let's try. You can just release them just by kind of open up the popsicle container, and you just pull it out. I think this one needs to, you can do it with warm water. Let's try again with this one. So we release, and you see how easy. Nice fruit popsicle. See that how nice it's looking? Guys, the kids would know this is not store-bought. I'm going to show you something when I'm finished taking these out. You can put it with 2 sticks if you choose to. You can also put fruits in it too as for garnish. See that? Now I wanted to show you guys these nice little package to keep the icicles in, so you know when they're ready they just take them out when they need it. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you give these fruit icicles a try for the summer, for your kids or even for yourselves to cool down. Right, until next time, bye.